I will tell you the best way to download and install Google Chrome on your brand new computer. So open your Edge browser, and at the very top, we just need to type google.com/Chrome, just like that. Once you have typed it, hit enter, and you will find the browser built to be safe. Download Chrome. So here we just need to do a click on download Chrome, the single left click, and a very small file will be downloaded. You can see only 9.9 byte, and it will also ask you to say yes. And very soon you will have a new window which says connecting and downloading. So it says only 16 seconds remaining, and it's downloading pretty fast. And you can also do that. So almost done. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the download is complete, and very soon the installation is also. So installation is almost 25% through and almost 40% now. Great. So I can see the Google Chrome icon on the desktop, and hooray, we have successfully installed and downloaded Google Chrome. So I'll click on Don't Sign In, set as default, and now I can use Google Chrome. I'll just maximize it and I can search whatever I want to, and we will be able to use Google Chrome. So if you find this tutorial short, helpful, then please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.